Understanding correlation. Use the table to make a scatter plot of the number of hours participating in clubs and the number of hours participating in sports. Describe the correlation between the two. So from that, I kind of look for just context clues, like what am I really focusing on? And it's clubs and sports, because this table gives me a lot of information. So right now, I'm really only going to focus on the first two columns, okay? I don't want to mark all over it because we will look at other combinations here in a little bit. Okay. All right, positive correlation is where two data sets generally increase together. So if you think about it, if I tell you something positive about yourself, your mood is going to go up, right? So when we have a positive correlation, I don't know why I made a four quadrant, but that's okay. So you would have your scatter plot and all your data would generally be moving upward. Okay, right? And that makes sense. We always feel good about ourselves when we hear positive things. I did it again. I say that because I didn't actually need all four quadrants, but that's okay. Because we could have it going down like this. If our data is going down, right, usually our feelings get kind of hurt and our mood goes down when we are given some negative feedback or negative words are said, right? So that makes us feel down. Positive things make us feel upward or upbeat. Our mood is happy, right? If there's no correlation, that means your data is like all over the place. Okay, you can't really tell which pattern. Is it traveling upward or downward? That's what no correlation. So there's no apparent trend or relationship between the two sets of data. Okay, so step one is create a scatter plot. And it's kind of hard to look at these and determine which direction they're going, right? So we want to graph this so we can have a visual. And let's see here, you'd walk 1, climb 0, that's the first one. I'm using walk and climb, right? Then 114, walk 1, climb 14. There's the second one. 2, 10. And you can even look at them as an ordered pair like that. 2, 10. Walk 2, climb up 10 would be right here. That one wasn't given. 3, 0. Walk 3, climb 0. Walk 2, climb 0. That one's right there. Walk 0, climb 8. Walk 0, climb 15. Okay. So I'm looking at my data here, and I know it's kind of hard. At first, I'm thinking it's a no correlation. But as I really kind of step back and look, I can see as my number of hours in participating increases, the number of hours participating in sports is decreasing. See, because as it continues on, by the time I get to 3, look, 2 hours, okay, between 0 and 1, I've got some people participating in sports. And then as I continue, after 2 hours, nobody's participating. At 3 hours, we're still sitting at 0. So I'm looking at the relationship as I'm traveling right, what is happening to my climb here. Okay, so as my hours continue, I have less and less people who are actually participating. So that's why I can say that it really is decreasing. So that means that we have a negative correlation between the data set.